I watch like 100 videos from Vogue models how they do face contour, and if you know me, if you have seen me ever before or seen any of my video, you know that I'm a chubby girl. Now if you see someone or anyone doing this snatched eye or Instagram Betty or Bella Hadid eye makeup look, you would find them working only on their eyes, but I think there are so many face contours and face contour tactics that goes behind how to put concealer and reverse contour and just so many things. I am someone who has dedicated their 100% time on this channel, so you will find researched data and information on this channel. If you're someone who's interested in skincare and makeup, product review or first impression, or how to use certain product and makeup tutorials and understanding ingredients, how to use certain skincare product, when to use, things like that, this is the channel you need to come back to again. So while you're at it, do hit the subscribe and bell button too, so we can hang out quite often. If you wanted to see how I shaved my eyebrow to achieve this straight look like Bella Hadid, I'll just link that video down below somewhere in description box or somewhere here on the screen, so you can just click and check that out later.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
Using PAC Beauty Blender, I'm just going to stamp loose powder this way, and I'm just following that same upward line we see in Bella. Using the PAC Cosmetic eyeshadow palette, and this is in Last Wish palette I think, and I'm going to use the shade that looks a little bit like contour shade. I'm gonna use this tapered brush first and then go in with bigger fluffy brush to buff it out. I'm gonna pick this brown kind of shade from the palette, and then using an angled brush, what we want to do is create a little wing, but you don't want to take it all the way in, and using powders so it keeps super duper natural and looks soft. It's kind of more like contour without it looking like you have a winged liner on. You know, it ends up looking more like shadow, like a lash shadow and not a winged liner. Now with Nykaa Eye Me Bold Kajal for my inner corner, what I'm gonna do is deepen up this area. I'm trying to extend my inner corner here. So, and by adding this dark color, you're kind of like closing this area, which is gonna make it little bit like foxy. Using the light shade right here, I'm gonna help and kind of intensify the dark shade that I just put, the kajal I mean, and I'm placing this shade underneath where I put kajal and blend it. Now you don't have to wear foundation if you don't want to, but Bella's makeup looks pretty natural all the time, which I love, but I'm gonna use sheer foundation so that I could cover up some of the sunburn and acne marks. This is a Lakme Argan Oil Serum Foundation, by the way. I think this is a very underrated product since it wasn't marketed to influencer, but try it out if you're looking for an hydrating and sheer looking foundation. You must have seen this concealer hack videos that will give you an illusion of lifted face. If not, I'm doing just that, highlighting the areas where I want more light, and I have a wider face, so wider than Bella at least, and I place this highlight on my forehead and chin, which in result will make my face appear longer than it is. This is a Fit Me concealer with I think it's in a shade Sand. When you want a very natural looking makeup like Bella, it's always best to go in with a cream contour. I'm using NYX contouring stick in the shade the lightest from the range. I don't remember the shade name right now. So her nose tip looks actually very typical, like after picture of a nose job of someone, like super thin, almost like a rectangle. What we want to do is draw that line, and adding that shadow on the nose tip just matches your nose pretty perfectly. Bella's nose is very bony, so that there is this like area where there is horizontal kind of highlight where the nose pokes out the most, so that emphasizes that I'm putting a little bit of concealer, just enough for that area. I don't know if anything I'm saying is making any sense to people. I hope I'm explaining it well. After that step, I'll get my highlighter. I use this one from Soft's collaboration with Makeup Revolution. I absolutely love this palette. What I'm gonna do is, since we put this darker color in corner, highlight just above with like just any detailed brush. And I don't know which brush is this I'm using, but I think I got it when I was 14 or something. So anyway, this is my favorite mascara for lower lashes. This is from Wet n Wild Volumizing Mascara or something. Now obviously you don't have to wear falsies with this look, but I want to, and I just picked this very natural looking lashes from PAC. Also my natural lashes tend to go down, so that anyways I need something to stick them to. You know, when I look at her photo, I'm pretty sure she's wearing a couple of individual lashes.
Hi guys, hope you liked this look, and if you did, even a little bit, you do need to subscribe so I can keep creating and keep dedicating my time to this channel.